Here's a casual conversation between Sara and Riya. Daily use questions and answers.
Hey Riya. How are you?
Hey Sara. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. What about you?
Not really. I stayed up late watching a movie.
Oh, which movie did you watch?
I watched Inception. Have you seen it?
Yes. It's an amazing movie.
What time did you wake up today?
Around 7 a.m. And you?
I woke up at 6 a.m. Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I go for a walk every morning. It's refreshing.
That's great. I should start too.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had toast and coffee. You?
I had an omelette and juice.
Are you going to work today?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m. When do you start?
I start at 10 a.m. Do you work from home or the office?
I work from home most days.
Do you have any meetings today?
Yes, I have 2 meetings.
What are you doing this weekend?
I might go shopping. Want to join?
Sure. Which mall are you going to?
Maybe City Center Mall.
Sounds great. What time should we go?
How about 4 p.m.?
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee. You?
Same. Black coffee is my favorite.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. What about you?
I love pizza.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you?
Not much, but I want to learn.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's so convenient.
Where do you usually buy clothes from?
Mostly from H&M and Zara.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue. What about you?
I like pink.
You watch TV shows?
Yes. I love Netflix.
What's your favorite show?
Friends. Have you seen it?
Yes, I love it too.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, all the time.
Who is your favorite singer?
Taylor Swift. What about you?
I love Ed Sheeran.
Do you read books?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like traveling? Yes. It's my favorite thing to do.
Which place do you want to visit next? Paris. How about you?
I want to go to Japan.
Do you prefer cars or bikes?
Cars. You?
Same.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like summer or winter?
Winter. You.
Same. I love cold weather.
Are you active on social media?
Yes, I use Instagram a lot.
Which app do you use the most?
Instagram and WhatsApp.
Do you prefer Android or iPhone?
iPhone. What about you?
I prefer iPhone too.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a dog.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, a lot.
Are you free this evening?
No, I have some work.
Can you help me with something?
Of course. What do you need?
Are you free for lunch tomorrow?
Yes. Let's meet at 1 p.m.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a travel blogger.
Let's meet up soon.
Yes. Let's plan something this weekend.